Hi, welcome to Geff Kitchen. Today we are learning how to prepare fried fish stew. The other day we learned how to prepare fresh fish stew. Today it is fried fish stew. Let's get into the kitchen and do this together. And remember, because our fish is already fried, we actually don't need to use the oil. Add in your garlic. Stir a little. Add in the tomatoes, then you can add in the red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and then just stir and mix them up so well, so well. Add in some salt and also add in some paprika. Mix so well. As I always say, you are free to use any of your favorite spices as you cook your fried fish stew. Then you cover and allow the vegetables to cook for around 5 minutes. Well, our vegetables are ready. Now you can put in some little water and bring the water to boil. Just put some little water. Kindly take note, I had already boiled my water earlier, so that I can just put in. Or if you want to make the gravy creamy, you can add in some milk or cream. After the water boils completely, you put in the fish. After putting in the fish, you allow the fish to boil, cover and bring it to boil, then serve. The fried fish stew is ready, and I have already served my husband. Actually, this is his plate. He will enjoy with ugali. Please try this at home with your family. And at the comment section, let me know how you find the fried fish stew. Ensure you subscribe, click the notification button, share the video, and see you next time.